What's going on, guys and girls of YouTube? Today we're meeting Jose out at Wandering Wiregrass, a nice little riding spot that we love to go to. So got most of the Jeep loaded up. Let's load up the bike and hit the road.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss that stack, taking big.
So I am running so late, but I cannot function without any Wawa. So I'm sorry, Jose, but yeah, I need gas too. I'll be there soon. Hey boy, where do I park?
I was gonna say, I don't know if you want to park right here behind me or just park here.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to park there because of the
He's
ramp.
alright, he's seen me.
What?
The Ranger?
No, I'm saying the ramp.
Oh,
The way-
it's the other way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say just pull into right there and I'll help you out
Yeah.
take it off.
All right, sounds good.
Doing good?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Let's
You
do
already
this.
know.
It's nice out today,
Bro,
and it
it's-
rained all.
Sand is
So.
nice, everything's nice.
All right, let's get it. Got the YZ. Ooh, good day, sir. Good, baby. We vlogging today. No, we got this.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently, thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face just to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
All right, baby. Nice little break. Whew.
You should feel a lot more comfortable today, like stamina wise,
Yeah.
compared to what we did last time.
Yeah.
When I went home, I was exhausted.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna use my cheap way to get up.
I'm so scared that thing just...
So much faith in my
Yeah,
kickstand.
bro, I'm like, I don't want to pay. I know, I'm like... Especially when I saw it tilt into the sand though.
Yeah, look how deep it went.
Huh?
Look how deep it went.
Like, fucking Honda.
Fucking Honda.
Yeah,
It's a Honda, baby.
yeah. I trust them. Bulletproof.
Bro, I was hauling and it started getting squirrely and I just squeezed.
I didn't realize that we were that close.
That was a good run.
You want to run that back over there?
You want to break for? Yeah, let's go down then break.
Okay.
Woo!
on. I heard you guys coming. That's why I was like, oh shit. Yeah, I just popped off. I'm trying to get the shit screwed on, but it's just being a little pain in the ass. Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
I just didn't want you guys coming by and clipping me.
Yeah, no, of course.
Yeah, the good thing is you're on the straightaway, so
I
Yeah.
know, that's why I'm like, man. So that's the way back, right?
Hey, should we go that way and then go flying past them? What? Yeah.
To my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. Taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
Alright guys, we made it back. The GoPro died on the way back there, so just probably missing just a couple minutes of us pulling into the entrance. Nothing big. But yeah, we made it back. Bikes are loaded. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace.